So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm hook. In the written pattern I have mentioned that I used cotton yarn which is sugar and cream. The thickness is similar to this yarn, so it's the same measurement, and also follow it for the step-by-step rounds to achieve this bandana. So we'll start right away. I will make a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 5 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I'm gonna chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in every stitch. So to ensure that this thread doesn't get too loose, make it a little long in the beginning, and then we'll hide it later in between the stitches so it doesn't open. Chain 1 for the third row. In the first stitch, 2 single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the following stitch, 2 single crochet, followed by 1 single crochet. So we'll start the decrease of the double single crochet in one stitch to keep the half circle flat. And we end with 1 single crochet. So in the written pattern it's gonna be detailed, so in every round what we're gonna make, we start with 2 single crochet, then we follow depending on the row with a number of 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now in 1 2 3, in the fourth row what I'm gonna make, 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and repeat. In the fifth row I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the following row, 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and so on, to expand the half circle of the bandana and to keep it flat as well. So chain 1 for the next row, 2 single crochet in one stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and repeat. 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches, and 2 single crochet, and we end with 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Again, for the number of rows and the decrease, follow the written pattern so you do the right thing together with this video. So 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next last 2 stitches. I'll come back to show you what to do next. So here I have completed the 27 rounds, half circle rounds, and now I'm gonna show you how to make the strap. So this is my last work stitch. I'm gonna chain 30 for the first strap. 30. What I'm gonna do next is slip stitch back into each chain till I'm back to the main bandana. Just slip stitch till the starting point, like so. Now back to the main half circle, like this. I'm gonna single crochet in every chain 1 space from the previous start of each round. So single crochet till the other extremity, where again I will chain 30 and slip stitch back before I fasten off and finish the bandana. Like so. So this is the finished, this is the finished bandana, the half circle bandana, and this is how it looks like. So if you think it is shorter, once you finish yours, you can add up more rows. So I've done here 27 rows. You can add up to 30, 35, depending how big or short you want it. I hope you find the tutorial easy. Don't forget to look at the written pattern to follow together with the video, the step by step. Until next time, take care, bye bye.